Bupa Pet Insurance Australia app. The pros, the cons. The Bupa Pet Insurance Australia app is designed to give pet owners fast, reliable access to their policies and claims. Many people think it's just for checking coverage, but it actually allows claims submission, premium payments, and real-time monitoring of our insurance from anywhere. On the pro side, the app provides instant access to all policy details, including accident, illness, and optional wellness or dental coverage. Claims can be submitted easily. You simply upload vet bills, receipts, and photos. Premiums are straightforward to manage, with reminders and a full payment history. Push notifications keep you informed about claim updates, policy changes, and upcoming payments. The app also supports multiple pets under one account, which is ideal for multi-pet households. On the con side, offline access is limited, so most features require internet connectivity. Some users have reported slower performance when viewing older claims or detailed documents. The app also lacks advanced features like cost calculators, wellness trackers for multi-policy comparisons, which may be a drawback for more tech-savvy or planning-oriented users. In conclusion, the Bupa Pet Insurance Australia app is a convenient and efficient tool for managing pet insurance. While it does offer advanced planning tools, it shines in claims handling, premium tracking, and policy management. For Australian pet owners, this app delivers simplicity, clarity, and peace of mind.